Hello guys, thank you for checking out another video here at Mobile Accessory Reviews. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Didade Universal 3-in-1 lenses. It has a fisheye wide angle lens as well as a macro camera lens. So let's get right into the unboxing. Back of the box here. Fisheye, macro, wide angle. Front. Clip on your phone. You clip it on your phone like this. And for illustration purposes, I'm going to use one of my old cell phones. It's pretty cracked and banged up, so there we go. Take it and put it on your phone like this, like such. Carrying pouch. Okay, let's see here. What is this? What lens is this? This is the, I want to say the macro. Yep, the macro lens. Okay, so can I focus? No, it's the macro lens. Here's the fisheye lens. Fisheye lens. Missing a lens. Wow. Wow. Nice. Apparently, guys, I think I may be missing a lens. I'm not sure. Let's see. Huh. No. Wait a minute. Nope, I'm not missing a lens. It's right under here. Oh, there we go. So all my lenses here, this is what you get in the box. The lens cover. The backing frame. You get it back, clip. That's pretty much it. So now to take it out for a spin so you guys can see the photos and the difference in quality when using these lenses here. Alright. Guys, here is a zoom out shot without the wide angle lens. Here's a shot with the wide angle. With the wide angle, zoomed out, without, with, without. Try one more time. With, without. Alright, that's zoomed out to the max. Let's see how I let the zoom in without the wide angle. Go about 2 times. Let's put it on. It doesn't have the wide angle on yet. With, without, with, without. Notice to your left how it expands a little bit. There's more room. With, without. See the difference, guys? This is with the wide angle lens. One more time. Without. Again, notice to your left, there's a little bit more space added. With, without. Let's see. So you guys know anything to the right. With, without. With, without, with, without. See the difference, guys? This is the functionality of the wide angle lens. 3-in-1, works with Android and iPhone. Check it out, guys. All right. So, guys, thoughts about the universal 3-in-1 fisheye in wide angle and the macro camera lens for your cell phone. Thoughts about it? Me personally, my thoughts about it is I probably won't get much use out of the fisheye lens due to the fact that I don't know, my personal preference, I'm not a big fan of it, but I love the wide angle and I also love the macro one to get really close up, you know, get those details, you know, when you maybe you have an ant farm, or you like, you know, nature like that. Maybe you like, you know, bees flying around on flowers. Maybe you want to get a close up, you know, things like that. That's what it's really used for, me personally. But as far as the wide angle, I think I would get a lot of use out of that because you can get like very good group photos. You know, before you would have like people's faces would get smushed in the photo when you try to take a good photo, but with the wide angle, you don't have to do that. You can get as many people, you know, in together. You know, it actually zooms out a little bit. You actually have a little bit more leeway when it comes with the wide angle versus just using your cell phone camera without the wide angle. So let me know what you guys think. Comment below. I'm gonna leave links in the description to this particular product here. All right, thank you guys for watching another video here at Mobile Accessory Reviews. Signing out.